Hello you guys, it's me, Justakila, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I get this beautiful smoky eye and my signature nude lip. This face right here, this is the shmoney face. It's sultry, it's sexy, it's expensive. Like, this is definitely rich bitch energy. I'm looking like wet chocolate. So this is a very detailed video. I did not skip a beat. I hope you guys are loving the daily uploads. This is day number 2, maybe day number 3. I don't know. I use this super cute Glam palette, and it is the Smart Cookie palette. All of these beautiful neutrals inside. I focus in more on this chocolate brown and this one next to it, Love Chip and Devil's Food, and then I also used Bite Me. So this is from Shein, and I think it was like $7. I also used a few colors from my Drop Dead Gorgeous palette. The spray I'm using today is Bora Bora. It smells so good. I spray so much. So good. I have a tutorial coming up on how I did this hair as well. I did an invisible part, and this is some 26-inch waterway. I mean, ooh, it's giving me nightcap vibes. Hello you guys, I'm gonna go right on in with my Bora Bora per usual. I do love a whole lot of spray. Let's get into this wet chocolate look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with my Big Ego Tarte brow pomade, and I'm concealing them with my Marc Jacobs concealer. Now that concealer actually was a little too thick, but I did love the color. I love to go for a light look under the brow when I do this smoky look. Now this face, this is my shmoney face. Always my go-to smoky eye, and I really love the results. It's so sexy, so sultry. You guys can really get into this look, and I'll also be showing you guys how to blend those dark colors. Now right here, I'm just finishing off my brows, getting rid of that unibrow. Here I'm using the Glam Smart Cookie palette. These colors were very smooth. I will be going in with my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly and going in right on the mobile lid only so that those shadows can have something to stick to. You always want to go in and blend your eyeshadow base very well to avoid chunky pieces. I will be starting off with the darkest shade in the palette called Devil's Food, and I'm packing that right on my mobile lid, and I'm making sure to keep it close to the lash line and filling in any of the light color primer. Now I'm going in with the color right next to that, and I'm going to be blending out that harsh line to get my transition color down. These shadows were a bit difficult to blend. You kind of lose a bit of, pigment as you blend. So I'm going in and packing those colors right back on and blending them out for a smooth transition. gray color right on the end and packing that on the inner corner. You'd never want it too dark on the inner corner or you will get raccoon eyes. Now it's time to smoke it out, and I'm going in with the black and my Drop Dead Gorgeous palette, and I'm focusing that in on the outer corner. You want to start off very, very, very light-handed with the black. We've laid down the black. We're going to go right back in with that chocolate and blend it out using small circular motions towards the inner part of the eye. You want to go ahead and blend that out towards the outer corner of the eye and in an upward motion so that you have less to clean up later. And just keep blending. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and pack on some more black so that the look can get more dark. I'm bringing that black up a bit into the crease because this is a full smoky eye, but you do not want to use too much. You see I've got to clean a little bit of fallout there, but it's okay. We're going to go in with the chocolate brown and continue to smoke it out in a cat eye shape. The key to blending is using really good technique. You want to use short sweeping motions, inner circular motions, outer circular motions to make sure that it is seamless and you don't get any harsh lines. You want to make sure that your hand is at the tip or the end of the brush to give yourself more wrist movement to get that shape tight. You want to use short stippling brushes to blend out the end, to blend it in with that lighter concealer. I'm going in on the inner corner just to brighten that up a little bit more, and I'll go in and clean up a little bit more so that my concealer does not mix with any shadow. So you want to go in and check for symmetry to see if your shape is on point. Mine was perfect, and now I'm going in with my favorite Inglot black eyeliner. I did not focus on the shape of this liner like I usually do because it's actually going to be covered up with shadow and lashes anyway. And here I'm just going in with a stiff brush to kind of blend that concealer because it was very thick. I'm gonna go in with my Old Faithful Inglot dark brown eyeshadow because it was just not smoky enough, and I am going in and blending for my dear life, you guys. I was blending like nobody business. Double stack Ioni lashes per usual. Ooh, the lashes just set it off like Boosie in this motherfucker, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Ain't even did the face yet, okay? I did want to go ahead and include my full face routine as well, because y'all know me, everything is a full look. I went in with my YSL primer, and then I went in with my List Beauty foundation, which is my favorite. I got these Sephora brushes. I think it's like a rosebud collection. Very much so cute, but you just want to blend, 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 blend. I'm going in with my Smith & Co. concealer, and I'm highlighting all of my favorite points that I like to highlight, and I'm going in with this dense brush to blend. So I wanted to match the energy and go in with this Marc Jacobs concealer on my Cupid's bow and inner corner. And ooh, y'all, look at the cake. This Pretty Fresh concealer from ColourPop is my new favorite contour because it gives me a warmth I have never yearned for, but I must have it now. Look at how smooth it blends in. And that bad boy was only a couple of bucks. And you know, I don't play when it comes to my designer makeup. I usually have problems with, lower end products blending with my face makeup, but this one really, really, really is some pressure, okay? Peep. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself, okay? I'm going in with my Fenty powder. This one is in honey. I'm going in on all my lighter areas. And then I'm going to take Fenty Pro Filter powder in cashew and go over my entire face with this humongous brush that I got from Ross. Remember, I told you guys the key is to blend for your dear life. A majority of me doing my makeup is just blending. So I'm going in with my MAC eyeliner in Feline and also smoking out the waterline. And now I'm going in with my highlighter, and oh my gosh, it's coming together, baby. We'll be taking that highlighter right on the inner corner as well to really set this motherfucker off. And we're gonna get right into the lips. I'm going to line it with a chocolate brown pencil, and we're gonna use my #1 favorite nude lip, Stone by MAC, of course. This is my holy grail. It's like a muty smoked purple, or more like a smoked nude. I love it, but yeah, get into it. Gonna top that baby off with a little clear gloss. This one has like gold flecks in it, which really gives it a wet look. Gotta hit that thing with your Fix Plus, and bada bing, bada boom, baby. We in there. It's me, justakila. And I'm looking motherfucking fly, okay? Such a nice day to be such a fine motherfucker. I use my Ioni lashes, double stack. I have a video on that as well. I will go ahead and link it up here, maybe below. I also have a nail vlog video you guys can get into. You guys, look, it's a vibe. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today. I hope you guys enjoy this beat face, because I am. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.